What's happening, my G's? It's been a while since we have done a one-on-one where we just talk about something and we just go back and forth, and it's just you and me. Let's do this, baby, right now. And today I felt like I had to bring the Courier GT out, not only to be annoying to my neighbors and to everybody else out there, but also because I want to talk about Porsche, a car that really matters to me right now, and that is the GT2 RS. I know there's a lot of you guys who know that I'm getting the new GT2 RS, and I had placed an order back in the day, but now it's getting the same effect as always. Everyone is bashing, where's your car? Everyone's getting their car. And to be honest with you guys, there are a few people that have gotten their car already that I thought they would never get a car, and here I am still waiting on mine. So I just wanted to come clean and tell you guys the truth about this so that there are no misunderstandings ever again. So I want to ask you before that, I just want to know your thought process on these things. I want to know, pause the video, don't cheat, and tell me, what do you think is going on with my Porsche? What do you think is going on with my GT2 RS, and why haven't I gotten it yet? Do I really not have an order? Do I have an order? Is Porsche just taking their time? Does Porsche doesn't like me and they're just putting me all the way on the back of the back burner? Or I'm just full of shit and I'm just waiting to buy the perfect one when they come out? Let me know what you think in the comment down below. Now that you're back, for those of you guys who actually said you don't have an order, you were just gonna wait and buy one, or you were never gonna buy one, to those guys, this, because of course I have an order. When have I ever fucking lied to you guys? Get the fuck out of here. I just wanted those guys to feel like they were right a little bit so I can crush them. But no, I have my car. I placed my order a while back, and this is one that, let me tell you the story a little bit. A year before the car came out, I was talking to the VIP, the 918 VIP program guys, and I said, please make sure that I can get my car one of the first ones. I want PTS, and they tell you, dude, first come, first serve on PTS, on the car, on everything. I legitimately got the email for the car, instantly replied. I had already ordered the car before when I found out that it was going to be what it is right now. I had ordered the car before to make sure that I was on that queue all the way on top, like they said, and I also put my request for PTS on that queue, and also when I confirmed my order. Months went by, months went by, months went by. We don't know when your cars are coming. The first cars that are coming to the United States, and this is something they told me straight up, they told me the first cars coming to the United States are going to be landing September, October. Here we are right now, it's June, just barely June. There's a lot of GT2 RSs already that have landed here in America. So I'm wondering, what the hell's going on? Then I emailed the people at Porsche and I asked them, guys, what's going on with my car? When am I going to get my allocation confirmed and all of that stuff? Because I had already asked for a chassis number because I wanted to get like something that matched my Courier GT. No, it's going to be no problem. They don't email me. I still don't hear back from them. So I email, and they finally confirm, okay, your car's coming September, October, whenever. I'm like, okay. And then I get another email weeks later saying, oh, by the way, there's no PTS for you. We ran out of those. Thank you. So it's either you get PTS or you don't get a YSAT car. This is a car that I wanted so badly to be in the exact same spec that I wanted to order the car. Think about it this way. You bust your ass for years and years. You dream about cars when you're a kid. You don't have shit. And then one day after your hard work and your dedication fucking pays off, you want to buy a car and they just don't let you buy the one that you want. They just don't let you get it when you want it. They're just going to give you whatever charity they can throw your way. How would you feel about that? And I got to tell you guys, I'm fucking heartbroken that I can get the car in the color that I wanted it, and it's just the name of the game. And a lot of you guys wonder, why, Alejandro? Is it because you talk shit about cars and all of that stuff on your videos, or because you curse?
Who the fuck buys a Bugatti?
God damn it! Holy shit! Fucking dope! Fuck you! Shit! Fuck yeah!
What the fuck?
It's so fucking amazing. It's like I smoke weed a lot. I honestly don't understand. I had someone explain me that works at a car company that said the reason why no car company ever calls you first before the British kids, for example, is because the pitch goes, hey man, do you want to hire a Mexican guy to do this, or do you want a British gentleman? And even just then, I'm like, I'm like, oh, I should hire a fucking British guy. That just sounds way fancier than the Mexican guy. So I'm doing a disservice to myself. I don't know if car companies or Porsche's acting in the same way as their PR. I'm not saying their PR. I'm saying another car company did this and told me this and explained this to me. I don't know why the fuck Alejandro can't get the car. I just don't understand it. I'm getting my car. There's no question about it. It's coming September or October, whenever they feel like it. It's a YSAT car? Absolutely. I got it in a different color, something that was available and easy for them so they couldn't say no. So I played it super safe. But that's where I stand with my GT2 RS. And I think it's a little sad. It's not a little sad. It makes me really sad that I just couldn't get what I wanted. And I know I sound like a brat because there's people that don't have food and all of that shit. you got to put yourself in everybody's shoes, right? And you have to understand that, like, for example, I don't buy myself anything. I pretty much create now everything that I wear, everything. Like, the only bullshit thing I have is this. Everything else is something that my wife has made, or something that I've made, something that Farshad's made, or something that a friend's made. I don't buy stuff. I don't care for things. The only things, like a kid, that got me are cars. There's nothing else, just cars. And I can get the ones that I want. So I've made a pact with myself. After I get this car from Porsche, I'm never again gonna buy a car brand new from a dealer. Never, never. Because I cannot keep supporting. And you guys are going to be surprised, but a lot of these people that have Ferrari massive collections, Ferrari doesn't even fucking like them or sell them cars. They all pretend that they do. It's the weirdest fucking shit. And I'm not one of those people that likes to get beat up by their wife or husband, whatever, and then go back to them. I'm not that. I will buy the cars because no one else is making the cars. I'll buy them used so they don't directly benefit from it. Even if I have to pay over to somebody else, I don't care. I'm at that stage now in life, and thank God I'm doing better and better and getting more and more comfortable. So I don't have to go and suck anybody's dick to get the fucking car that I want, to purchase the thing that I want exactly how I want it with my money, which makes, again, no sense. I'm gonna stop that. There's not gonna be any more of that. That's gonna be my new strategy moving forward. How will that affect what you guys see and all of that stuff? None. You guys are going to see the cars. You guys are going to get everything just in the same way. So there's nothing to worry about. But I think I'm done. I always treat others like the way they treat me. And I don't know why car companies think they're an exception to the rule. I'm done. If a car company treats me like shit, I'm going to do the same. I will buy the cars, debadge the cars, put my logo everywhere on them because I can, and do that from now on. Because I don't think this is a fair game I'm playing, right? It's like getting into a fight and the guy has a gun and I just have my two fists. It makes no sense whatsoever. But either way, what do you guys think? Would you keep supporting buying cars and just playing the fucking game for years and years and years? I just don't want to talk about myself because it's not like I'm defending anything that I've done, because it happens to everybody. Only very few people can get the cars the way they want it without like having to suck anybody's dick and all of that. And I'm just not that type of guy. I've never been that guy. Everyone always makes fun of me because everyone's like, oh, I'm sponsored by this guy. But when do you ever see fucking commercials or ads for something on my videos aside from my own shit? I don't believe in that shit, guys. I'm sorry, I don't believe it. So I'm going to leave you guys with that. And also, a little note, and I'm going to plug the podcast, Let's Talk About Cars, yo. I talk about why I'm not buying any more German cars on that, or we might not be able to buy any more German cars starting like real soon, and some other interesting stuff. So if you guys want to download our podcast, if you guys want to watch it, everything is on the links down below. Again, guys, it's a pleasure to be back here. It's a pleasure to see you guys here and spending some time with you. Whatever else you want to see, just hit me up. You guys know I love making these videos and just talking. Ask my wife if not. All right, guys. Have a good one. Thank you very much. I'm Alejandro, and I do not approve this message. Peace.